Hi everybody, Dr. Dowe here again. I wanted to explain to you the kit that we offer for sale. It's the Professional hCG Plus program that I put together. This came to be because I had so many patients that were coming to see me, getting fabulous results, and they wanted to tell their family and friends about it. And unfortunately, not everybody lives close to where I'm at here in Bradenton, Florida. So I had to make a few adjustments and some changes and stuff so that you can kind of do it yourself. We're going to go piece by piece, and I'll show you what they are and why they work and why they're important. The mainstay of the whole program, of course, obviously is the hCG drops themselves. I did a really nice clinical study. I compared the injections to lozenges that were prepared by my pharmacist to the homeopathic drops that you see here. These were formulated in America just for me in an FDA-approved facility. They're called hCG Professional hCG Plus because it has the addition of amino acids to it as well. I'm finding that when my patients use this, it's easier. They have less appetite problems. They sleep a lot better. They overcome the sometimes side effects of leg cramping and hair loss. That just doesn't happen when we use this program. Some people are uncomfortable using drops under their tongue, so I've included a spray, so you can actually spray it in your mouth if you decide. 3 sprays are equal to 10 drops, so 3 sprays 3 times a day, or 10 drops 3 times a day. This is about a 40-day supply. That's included in the program. Very easy to use. It's odorless, it's tasteless, and it just does a fabulous job. I'm in the process of writing a book, kind of updating Dr. Simeon's work. It was done in the 1950s, 1955 or so, but in the meantime I have this book that's available. Linda Prinster did a really great job writing the book, explaining all about hCG. In fact, it has Dr. Simeon's manuscripts right in the back, so you can actually read all of his studies. Lots of nice charts and graphs and information and things in there. Of course, this is all based exactly on Dr. Simeon's studies in 1955. So I just wanted to make sure you had as much information on hand that's possible with the kit, because a lot of people don't know all the details. And this one is a really full book. It has meal plans. It explains the recipes, exactly how they work, portion control, a lot of questions, even things like about injections and as opposed to the homeopathic drops. A lot of different things in here that are quite interesting. I've tried to upgrade it just a little bit in the meantime while I'm finishing my own personal book, and I call it Dr. Dowe's hCG Insights. These are things I've learned over the last couple of years, altering and changing Dr. Simeon's program just a little bit. The reason I think it's a thing that needs to be changed is because a lot has happened to our food since 1955. There's a lot of different products and things that are available. Artificial sweeteners, different kind of food additives, different things that have happened to our food supply since that time. And I think this just makes it a little easier. So basically this takes priority over what it says in the original Dr. Simeon's until I get my book together. That's in your program. Sweet Leaf is a fabulous stevia product. As you know, most of the problems with obesity in this country, and especially things like juvenile diabetes, is the fact that Americans consume about 150 pounds of sugar a year. Can you imagine? And if you take 150 pounds of sugar and shove it through this body, and you're wondering why we have so many problems, I think that's the real root and foundation. Sweet Leaf is a company that makes a real pure stevia. There's a little bit of additives in there to keep it pure and keep it from caking together, but basically there's no additional additives. Be very careful when you're choosing your stevia product. You got to make sure you get one that is pure stevia. A lot of times you'll find them with hidden ingredients like sucrose and fructose, and you're really defeating the whole purpose there, because that's basically sugar. You will not lose weight, you will not get the results you want if you're not using a pure stevia. This is a great company. I've used them for a couple of years. They even make flavored stevia. So you want to go to sweetleaf.com, or basically our website. We're going to have some things available for you there too. But lots of really interesting things. We also put together an hCG recipe disc for you. There's about a 90-page recipe book here. It's got salads, it's got soups, it's got drinks, it's got all kind of appetizers, snacks, things like that that you can consume. They're all the proper portions that you should have on the hCG program. And bring it up on your computer, and it's real easy to use. So it makes your mouth have a party while your body's losing a ton of weight. That's included in the program as well. When you're here locally with me in Bradenton, I do the Lipo B12 injections. Basically, it's a combination of methionine, inositol, and choline. These are known in the industry as mix shots. And what it does, it helps your liver to work better. And as you know, your liver has a tough job. It filters the blood. It takes fat out of the blood. So you have a lot of people that come off of cholesterol medications. Their cholesterol levels drop. Their blood pressure goes down. But unfortunately, I can't give you a shot when you're 150, 200, 3,000 miles away from me. So what I've done is included some some capsules here that are called maximum lipotropics. And this has the methionine, the inositol, the choline, and some really good ingredients that's going to help give you energy during your detoxification, your cleansing, and your weight loss. And there's enough here to last for 40 days. That comes with your kit as well. And also, what's something really nice, because I'm a doctor of Oriental medicine, and I specialize, like I told you before, in addictions, one of the neat things we have is something called auricular therapy. There's over 100 acupoints in the ear alone. There's a nerve that goes through the surface of the ear called the vagal nerve. And there are over 100 acupoints in your ear. And if you're in the office, we may use acupuncture needles, or we may use electrical therapy devices to stimulate or sedate those particular points to help you with whatever symptoms you might be having. Maybe you're craving sugars, maybe you're craving salts, something crunchy, something late at night, or maybe it's just emotional eating. Maybe you need to be calmed down. The ear points are very, very valuable. In your kit here is going to be some pictures, some diagrams, very easy to locate points in your ear. And this right here are acupressure pellets. These are little tiny stainless steel BBs that are magnetized, that are on a little round piece of tape. And you'll take a pair of needle nose clipper or needle pliers or what have you that you can use to affix it in your ear. And we'll again show you exactly where to put those. And you can leave them for 3 or 4 days. And they're very, very effective to take away cravings. That's also included in your kit. All the details, everything you need to know, it's all in the kit. And if you have any questions, of course, you can just contact my website. I'll answer any questions. I'll be your coach and help you the best I can. Thanks so much for your time. There's going to be more details coming up.